Okay, so this is the construction for the new ride at PortAventura. Still don't know what it's going to be. Potentially a dark ride, that's just my guess. I've not a clue. But I take a walk around the other side because I've got the hotel pass where I can get some more footage. So I've just asked a member of staff and they're not sure, they don't know what it's going to be. We'll just head back in.
Disculpa, para ir a Ferrarila. ¿Qué pasó?
Okay, so yeah, as I said, not a clue what it's going to be. Quite a big building. Around here, quite busy. So yeah, I just asked the guy, one of the store holders down there, and he just said they don't know what it is. It's going to be new. It's top secret, which we knew about anyway. But as you can see here, yeah. Oh, actually, no, I don't think they're coaster footings. Not quite sure. No, we're not. Just not sure what it is. So we'll get another view from around here. I've only done this on one video, so it's easier for me to just upload it. But yeah, that's probably a good shot. Let's see if we can get it zoomed in a little bit. Yeah, not a clue. Dark ride. It's definitely an attraction, but don't know yet. Just have to wait and see. So that's an update from August 2022.